Hello everyone. Today start a new lesson, animal diversity 2. Animal diversity 2 means chordates. Chordates. So the chordates, the main distinctive character, main important character, the chordates in the lifetime, the chordates in lifetime, the life cycle time, either larva stage or adult stage, they contain a notochord. They contain a notochord. So this type of the animals is called as chordates. They are presenting on the notochord in lifetime. Any stage, in any developmental stage, they contain a notochord. Presenting on the notochord in the larva stage or larval stage or adult stage. Adult stage. So this type of the animals is called as chordates. Main distinctive characters, the chordates and non-chordates. So the presenting on the either larva stage or adult stage, they contain a notochord. That type of the animals is called as chordates. This type of the animals is called as chordates. Next one. So the chordates is origin from the echinodermata. Echinodermata larva stages. So they are chordates is derived from the echinodermata larva stages. So the period is called as Precambrian period. So it is origin from the Precambrian period. Precambrian period. So the chordates are the origin. So the chordates are origin from the Precambrian period. So the chordates are the origin from the echinodermates larva stages. Echinodermate larva stages. So the origin from the chordates. So the chordates in lifetime, adult stage or larva stage, they contain a notochord. So they are called as chordates. Next one. So the chordate contain a majorly four hallmark characters. Chordates, four hallmark characters. Chordates, four hallmark characters. Four hallmark characters. So the chordates, four important characters. First one, notochord. Notochord. First one, notochord. Second one, dorsal tubular nerve cord. Dorsal tubular nerve cord. Third one, pharyngeal gill slits. Pharyngeal gill slits. So the fourth one, post-anal tail. So they are the chordates four hallmark characters. 4 marks important question. Chordates four hallmark characters. So the chordates four important characters. First one, notochord, nerve cord, pharyngeal gill slits and post-anal tail. So they are the four hallmark characters of the chordates. First one, notochord. Notochord. It is a flexible rod-like structure. Notochord. It is a flexible rod-like structure. So the notochord, it is a notochord. So these are the red color line. So these are the notochord. So the notochord is a flexible rod-like structure. So the it is presenting below the nerve cord. Below the nerve cord, above the gut. So they are presenting on the below the nerve cord, above the gut. So these are the These are the notochord. So these are the notochord. It is a flexible rod-like structure. It is a flexible rod-like structure. It is presenting in the below the nerve cord. So the below the nerve cord, above the gut. Below the nerve cord, above the gut. Next one, it is in the embryonic stage. It is origin from embryonic stage. It is origin from embryonic stage. Embryonic stage origin from chorda mesoderm. So these are origin from the chorda mesoderm. It is origin from the mesoderm. In the embryonic stage, it is origin from the mesodermal in origin. So the notochord is origin from the mesodermal in origin. So the notochord, it is the origin from the embryonic stage, mesodermal in origin. Next one, it is supporting to the body. Next one, it is supporting to the body. It is supporting to the body and attachment of muscles. It is supporting to the body and attachment of the muscles. So they are the attachment of the muscles. So the notochord, it is supporting to the body and it is availability of attachment of the muscles. Next one, so the notochord in the protochordates, it persists lifetime. So the protochordate only, notochord is presenting on the larva stages. Protochordates means like lancelets and cyclostomes. So these protochordates, notochord present only larva stages. Protochordates means lancelets and cyclostomes. So the notochord is presenting only larval stages. In vertebrates, it is present in adult stage. It is present in adult stage. Continue to the vertebral column. It is continued to the vertebral column. So these are the notochord. Once revised, the notochord is a flexible rod-like structure. Flexible means the movement on the either side. So the flexible rod-like structure. So it is presenting on the below the nerve cord, above the gut. Below the nerve cord and above the gut. So it is origin from the mesodermal in origin. Next one, in the protochordates like lancelets and cyclostomes. So they are presenting only larva stages. Persist in life means only larva stages is presenting on the notochord. Next one, in the vertebrates, they continue to the vertebral column. Next one, so these notochord, they are the supporting of the body, posture of the body, and they are attachment of the muscles. So they are the notochord. Second one, nerve cord. So the dorsal tubular nerve cord. It is a single hollow tubular and dorsal side. Dorsal side is a single hollow tubular and presenting on the dorsal side. Dorsal side is present. Next one, it is presenting the below the body wall. It is presenting below the body wall, below the body wall and above the notochord, above the notochord. It is presenting on the above the notochord, below the body wall. It is presenting on the above the notochord, above the notochord, below the body wall, below the body wall. Next one, the nerve cord is origin from the neuroectodermal in origin in the embryonic stage. In embryonic stage, origin from neural ectodermal in origin, neural ectodermal in origin, neural ectodermal in origin. So in the embryonic stage, origin from the neural ectoderm, neural ectodermal in origin, neural ectodermal in origin. So the anterior side, so these are the nerve cord. So the anterior side, the formation of brain, anterior side formation of anterior side formation of brain, anterior side formation of brain and posterior side the formation of spinal cord, posterior side formation of spinal cord, formation of spinal cord. Next one, it is the functioning of the major coordinating center of the body. It is the coordinating center of the body, control and coordination of body. It is control and coordination of body activities. It is the control and coordination of body activities, So they are the nerve cord. So nerve cord, it is a single hollow tubular, they are presenting on the dorsal side. Next one, it is presenting on the above the notochord, below the nerve cord, above the notochord, below the body wall. Next one, these are origin from the neural ectodermal in origin, in the embryonic stage, neural ectodermal in origin. So the anterior side, so they are the anterior side, the formation of brain, the posterior side, the formation of spinal cord, Next one, so they are functioning is the major, the coordination, the control and coordination of body activities, So they are the second one, nerve cord. Next one, third one, pharyngeal gill slits. Pharyngeal gill slits. Pharyngeal gill slits. So it is the arrangement of the lateral side of pharynx. It is serially arrangement. It opens into the pharynx. So they are the lateral perforations. It is the lateral perforations. Opens into the pharynx. It is the lateral perforations. Opens into the pharynx. Next one. So it is origin from the ectoendodermal in origin. It is origin from ectoendodermal in origin. It is origin from the ectoendodermal in origin. Next one, in protochordates. Helps from the filter feeding. In protochordates, it is the helps from the filter feeding. Filter feeding means, so the water is filtering, the water they contain food materials are the waters are the exchange. So they are the in the protochordates filter feeding function. Next one, in vertebrates. invertebrates. So, their functioning is the respiration. This functioning is the respiration function. The protochordates, this functioning is the filter feeding. So, the vertebrates functioning is the respiration. Vertebrates, in the vertebrates, the pharyngeal gill slits functioning is respiration. So, these are the pharyngeal gill slits. Once revised. So, the pharyngeal gill slits are the lateral perforations. So, it is the lateral perforations. So, these are openings from the pharynx. So, they are the lateral perforations. They are opening from the pharynx, opens from the pharynx. Next one, it is origin from the ectoendodermal in origin. It is origin from the ectoendodermal in origin. Next one, in the functions, in the protochordates, they are filter feeding function. Protochordates means first chordates. So, they are the filter feeding function. Next one, vertebrates. So, they are the respiration function. Vertebrates. So, they are the respiration function. So, they are the pharyngeal gill slits. Next one, fourth one, post-anal tail. Post-anal tail. Fourth one, post-anal tail. So, these are the post-anal tail. So, they are the post-anal tail. The posterior elongation part, it is a posterior elongation part. Elongation part. It is a posterior elongation part. It is presenting on the extension of the anus or cloaca. It is a extension of the anus or cloaca. So, it is a no visual organs. It is no visual organs. No visual organs and no coelom. No visual organs and no coelom. But it contain a skeletal elements. It contain skeletons and muscles. It contains skeletons and muscles. So, these are the post-anal tail. Post-anal tail is the body elongation part of the body. Tail is the elongation part of the body. So, it contains it is no coelom and no visual organs. So, no body cavity, no visual organs. It contains skeletons and muscles. It contains skeletons and muscles. So, these are the four hallmark characters of chordates. Four hallmark characters of the chordates: notochord, nerve cord, pharyngeal gill slits and post-anal tail. Post-anal tail. So, they are the four important characters of the chordates. Four important characters of the chordates. Next one, other characters of the chordates. So, the other characters. So, they are the three germ layers. So, they contain three germ layers: ectoderm, endoderm, mesoderm. Outer ectoderm, middle mesoderm and inner endoderm. They contain germ layers are the triploblastic. Next one, coelom. Coelom is the coelom is the enterocoelom. Coelom is enterocoelom. Coelom is enterocoelom. They contain a triploblastic. Next one, level of organization. So, the level of organization is organ system level of organization. Level of organization, organ system level of organization. Next one, the body contain a metamerism. Body contain a metamerism. Next one, circular system is open type. Circular system is closed type of circular system. Circular system is closed type of circular system. Next one, the gut is complete gut. Gut is complete gut. So, they are the other characters. First one, level of organization. So, they are the organ system level of organization. Next one, coelom. Coelom is the enterocoelom. Next one, germ layers. So, germ layers are the triploblastic. Next one, circular system, a closed type of circular system. So, gut. So, the gut is complete gut. So, these are the four characters of the chordates.